Okay, this is the first unit on harmonic dictation. We're simply going to be listening in this first unit for the soprano and bass notes of the tonic triad in the key of C. And I have 5 examples of different voicings. In the first 4, the bass note is in sort of the standard placement. One, in the middle of the bass clef. So in the first 4 examples, what we're really listening for in terms of any difference is the soprano note itself. In the first example, 1, the soprano note is 1. In the second example, 3 is the soprano note. In the third example, 5 is the soprano note. In the fourth example, 1, the high one, is the soprano note. The fifth example voices the high one as well, but with the bass up an octave. 1, so we have the bass on the high octave. 1, the soprano as well on the high octave. Okay, I will play through the examples, just let you hear them. Again, listen for the bass and soprano scale degrees and the appropriate octave for the bass. Okay, for our examples, I've given you the first chord, and there will be 6 chords total, so the first chord and 5 additional harmonies. These will all only be tonic triads. You tell me what is the scale degree in the soprano, which will either be 1, 3, or 5, and then the octave placement of the root and the bass, scale degree 1, be it on the low octave in bass clef or at middle C. Okay, so here's the key of C. And here's the examples. Okay, repeat the example as many times as you need. In an exam situation, you would hear it 5 times, so try to do it within 5 hearings if at all possible.